The terms AAA and indie refer to two different categories of video games, each with distinct characteristics and development approaches. Here's a comparison of AAA and indie games. Development budget and scale. AAA games. AAA games are typically developed by large, established game studios with significant financial resources. These games often have high production budgets ranging from tens of millions to hundreds of millions of dollars. AAA games are known for their high production values, cutting-edge graphics, extensive marketing campaigns, and large development teams. Indie games. Indie games are developed by independent developers or small studios with limited financial resources. Indie games are often created on smaller budgets, ranging from a few thousand to several $1 million. Despite their smaller scale, indie games can be innovative, creative, and experimental, often focusing on unique gameplay mechanics, artistic expression, and niche audiences. Development team. AAA games. AAA games are developed by large teams of professionals, including designers, artists, programmers, writers, musicians, and producers. Development teams for AAA games can consist of hundreds of individuals working in various departments and disciplines. Indie games. Indie games are typically created by smaller teams with fewer resources. Indie developers often wear multiple hats and handle multiple roles within the development process, such as programming, art, design, and marketing. Some indie games may be developed by solo developers working alone. Creative control and artistic freedom. AAA games. AAA games are often subject to corporate oversight, publisher demands, and market expectations, which can influence creative decisions and design choices. While AAA games have access to advanced technology and resources, they may face constraints on experimentation and risk-taking. Indie games. Indie developers have greater creative control and artistic freedom over their games. Without the pressures of corporate stakeholders or publisher mandates, indie developers can explore unconventional ideas, art styles, and gameplay mechanics, resulting in more innovative and experimental games. Market presence and distribution. AAA games. AAA games often receive wide-scale distribution and marketing support from major publishers. They are typically released on multiple platforms simultaneously, including consoles, PC, and sometimes mobile devices. AAA games may also receive retail releases in addition to digital distribution. Indie games. Indie games may have a smaller market presence and rely on digital distribution platforms such as Steam, itch.io, and the Epic Games Store to reach players. Indie developers often self-publish their games or partner with indie-friendly publishers to distribute and promote their titles. Genre and target audience. AAA games. AAA games often target mainstream audiences and encompass a wide range of genres, including action, adventure, shooter, role-playing, sports, and simulation games. AAA games may prioritize mass appeal and accessibility to reach a broad player base. Indie games. Indie games encompass a diverse range of genres and styles, catering to niche audiences and experimental tastes. Indie developers may explore unique themes, art styles, and gameplay mechanics that may not appeal to mainstream audiences but resonate with specific communities or subcultures. Overall, while both AAA and indie games contribute to the richness and diversity of the gaming industry, they differ in terms of scale, budget, creative control, distribution, and target audience. AAA games prioritize mass appeal, high production values, and mainstream distribution, while indie games emphasize creativity, innovation, and artistic expression within smaller-scale projects.